22 yards. Every cricket pitch may have identical dimensions, but from the rank turners to the deadly seamers, every crack, every blade of grass tells a story.
It's like a bit more green on top.
It's a little bit soft on top.
We got a feel first.
We're going to have a bowl.
But what is it about grass cover that prompts captains to bowl first and take early wickets? Furious pace and frightening bounce, the two factors that often make the world's best batters appear helpless. To understand the pace part of it, let us look at a regular pitch, where the ball loses considerable pace due to friction upon impact. We call this a true pace pitch, a batter's comfort zone. On a green top, however, a layer of grass, aided by moisture, lubricates the pitch's contact with the ball, so it offers less friction than a true paced pitch. Just like a striker sliding faster on a powdered carom board, the ball loses less pace, hurrying the batter. This growth of grass is facilitated by the clay-rich black soil, its high water retention and fertility making it crucial for menacing pace. In fact, the water retentive property plays a key role in the bounce part of it. The clay underneath the grass, softened by water, is baked in the sun, binding it firmly into a hard surface. This hardened pitch enables steeper bounce than soft clay's cushion bounce. Skiddy pace, steep bounce, add to that the unpredictable lateral movement, and the batter is tested in all three dimensions. Bottom line, on a green top, win the toss, bowl first, and watch the chaos unfold. Who has been the best exponent of seam bowling across eras? Comment below and stay tuned to Wicket to Wicket.